In this video, I'm going to show you how to color in Adobe Fresco. So to do this, first you want to either draw something or open up a drawing which you want to color. I do have something I've drawn very quickly over here. I'm not very talented, but it's going to do for this tutorial. So whenever you actually do this, you can start coloring by first selecting your brush. So you have pixel brushes up here, and then you have live brushes and vector brushes as well. For this one, I'm just going to use the live brush over here, but of course you can use a pixel one or whatever one you want. I'm gonna now click on it to select it. There we go. And I'm gonna go back. And for this, I'm gonna use watercolor. Then there's a bunch of different ones. I'm going to just use this watercolor wash flat. Okay. Now, when you click on it, you can also select the color. So we're gonna go and first select the color red over here. You can change this after, of course, which goes without saying. And then from here, you can change your brush size. You can see that's the size it is right now. I'm going to make it a bit smaller for now. There we go. And then you can also select your flow. So it's going to show you what flow is over here. I'm gonna keep it at 100 for now. And then you have the water flow as well, which is going to be, of course, the water flow of your specific brush if you're using watercolors, or something else like just flow if you are using a different brush. Then over here you have things like paint inside lines, which is amazing. I'm going to use this right now because if I don't, as you can see, if I color like this, it's just going to basically go through, and it's going to go through lines, and it's going to look messy. But if I use the paint on over here, so paint inside settings, I can click on it and it's going to turn this on. And as you can see, I'm now painting inside the lines, which is quite cool, and I actually don't have to worry about going over the edges, which is honestly amazing. Okay, so I'm going to keep this on, and then you have the brush settings over here as well, where you can kind of test your brush, how it's going to look. You can go and change angles, spacing, scatter, and then you have some dynamics over here and the stylus pressure as well. So I'm going to leave this like it is because it's going to do for this tutorial, and I'm going to start painting over just a bit. Now, as you can see over here, there we go. I've painted the eyes of this kind of face over here. Now I'm going to go and pick a different color. I'm going to make the nose, let's just make it green, why not? And I'm automatically painting inside the lines because I have this on. If it's blue, it means it's on. And of course, if you want to paint inside the lines and not worry about the lines and crossing them, you can also use that to make your life much easier. Now I'm gonna switch this to something else as well. We're gonna make it pink, and we're gonna make the mouth pink over here. I'm going to change the size, and that's essentially how you can do this. That's how you can go ahead and color in Adobe Fresco. It's super simple, as you can see, and if you use this feature over here, it's even simpler. So that's really how to color. That's how simple it is. And if you want to then use something like blending, you can go and watch my video on how to blend in Adobe Fresco. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.